First batch from the yard, fresh off the truck. Let's get the weight. Platform's clear. 45.2 kilos. Noting the condition, slight blemishes. Next one, laying it flat. This extra salt will stabilize the moisture.
Yes, it prevents bacterial growth before soaking.
Let's make sure it's evenly coated.
Good. Now for the next batch.
Careful, these are heavy. Got it. To the dehairer. Feed it in. Feed the hide in steady. Watch the blade speed. Got it. Adjusting tension now. Good. Keep it even. Output looks clean. Next one ready. Hides are rinsed, ready for the drums. Okay, let's load them in. Okay. Push it deep, make sure it's fully submerged. Looks good. Starting the rotation.
In the baiting stage, special enzyme solutions soften camel leather hides, improving flexibility for the next step in the manufacturing process.
Let's check this hide for softness and grain. It looks good, ready for the tape. Marking it for pickling, moving it to the rack now. Good. Next batch.
Treat raw hides with salt and mild acid. This stabilizes the collagen fibers, preparing the hides for tanning. In retanning drums, additional agents are introduced to camel leather. This enhances the material's durability and quality. The hides rotate, ensuring even chemical absorption.
All right, pull steady. Keep the tension even. Got it. Pulling now. Okay, release. Check for ripples. Looks smooth. One more pull here. Good. Hold that tension.
Hydraulic staking machines soften stiff camel leather by flexing the fibers.
Here's the next batch.
Got it. Looks ready.
Smooth the edge as well.
Will do.
This one is a B grade. Okay, marking it. This edge is uneven. Note it. Moving to the next. Good. Keep the pace. Let's trim these edges to get a clean line.
Okay, starting on this side.
Keep the blade steady for a smooth cut.
Looks much better already.
Good. Let's finish the batch. Stacking this batch now.
Looks good. Keep them coming.
Next one coming over. Check this section for color consistency.
It looks uniform. Let's feel the texture.
The grain is smooth, but this edge is darker.
Yes, it's marginal. We should log it for review.
Agreed. Let's move to the next batch. Let's start with the flex test.
Okay, bending it now. The grain holds well. Good. Now for repeated flexing.
No cracks. It's durable.
Initiating surface scan on this camel leather sheet. Scan complete. 3 defects detected. Marking them.
The system confirms 3 defects in the camel leather.
Let's start with the moisture balancing oil.
Okay, I'll hold the leather steady.
Apply it evenly in circular motions.
It's absorbing well. The texture is perfect.
Ready for the thickness test on this camel leather?
Yes, go ahead. I'll log it.
Measurement is 2.45 millimeters.
Got it. 2.45 logged.
Okay, unroll it to 6 feet.
Got it. Ready to cut?
Cut it clean.
All right, wrapping the first roll.
Measure the diameter first.
Looks good. Next one.
Careful with the edges here. Got it. They're heavy.
Place them here for inspection.
All set?
The grain is consistent. Approved.
Let's check this batch under the lamps.
Good. I'm seeing some variation.
Right, this texture is within spec.
Agreed. Let's log it and move on.
Scene 64. Water resistance testing chambers evaluate camel leather performance. The samples are placed where water jets simulate extreme conditions. The leather demonstrates superior water resistance. Let's test these dyed samples for color fastness.
I'll prepare the grayscale.
Rubbing now with moderate pressure.
The color change is minimal, passing the test.
Agreed. Let's log the results. All right, let's test the camel leather stability.
Ready? I'll get the pH reading.
Okay, note it down.
pH is 4.87. It's stable.
Good, log it. Surface microscopes inspect the grain quality of camel leather. The detailed analysis reveals the natural texture and integrity of the material.
Okay, first sheet. Checking thickness.
Ready? Target is 2.0 millimeters.
Measure 2.01. Uniformity is good.
Noted. Next sheet.
Yes, moving on. Let's check the thickness. It needs to be at least 1.2 millimeters.
Okay, I'm noting the texture is uniform.
Good. The color is consistent across the batch.
Agreed. These sheets meet the export standard.
Final polishing stations refine premium camel leather sheets.
Team, start wrapping this batch.
Ready? Films aligned.
Machine set, go. Tuck the edges tight.
Got it. Sealing now.
Next one ready. Let's get this camel leather ready for export. Stack them tight.
Got it. This batch is for the global shipment.
Careful with the edges. We need top quality.
The forklift's here. This pallet's ready.
Final inspection confirms export grade quality. The grain is uniform and texture meets standards. This sheet is approved for export.